Hello there friends. Welcome to the newest episode of our email list building video training series. We are more than glad to introduce you to one of the hottest money-making topics in the online marketing world. That is because, in this training, we are going to teach you all about email list building. In this first video of our email list building video training, you will learn email list building basics. We'll talk about what is email list building? To understand what is email list building, you first need to know what is an email list in the first place. An email list, or a mailing list, is a database where you store the email addresses of people you can contact to send them marketing material. And to have a solid mailing list with qualified subscribers, you need to build your list through email marketing. Email list building can be considered to be the first step in email marketing. Email list building is the first stage of your email marketing efforts in which you are going to add people to your mailing lists continually. To add people to your mailing lists, you will need their permission. That is when you apply email marketing strategies to get people's permission to join your email lists. To summarize, email list building is all about using email marketing strategies to add more people to your growing list of email leads. How can you start building your lists? The only way to start building and growing your mailing lists is by applying proven email marketing strategies the right way. Many email marketing strategies work well today. In this training, you will learn the best ways to apply only the best email list building strategies. They use high-quality free stuff as magnets to get email subscribers to sign up to your email list. You will learn email marketing automation and its importance, as well as other little-known implementations. Some have been kept secret from you by the so-called gurus. Up until today, that is. Who is using email list building as a marketing strategy? Anyone with an online marketing business should be list building. Yet, most marketers and businesses are content with having a single opt-in. A single opt-in on their websites may be leaving a lot on the table. The truth is that there are ways even to get the emails of people that are not initially interested in joining your mailing lists. We will teach you how to do it in this training to feel the power of email marketing. So keep watching. Because in the following videos, we will go into more in-depth detail on what makes email list building a fantastic strategy that you need to implement on your overall online business plan right now.